The Italian public administration represents a complex and multifaceted organizational system. It is the cornerstone of state action, working for the well being of the community. Its existence is fundamental to the functioning of modern society. The primary function of the public administration is the management and delivery of essential public services. These services are essential to citizens' daily lives and the country's development. They range from healthcare to education, from security to transportation. A secondary but equally crucial function is ensuring the implementation of laws. The public administration ensures that legal provisions are effectively applied. This role is essential to maintaining law and order in the country. The public administration structure is divided into several levels. This stratification allows for comprehensive and specialized management of functions. Each level has specific responsibilities and interacts with the others for coordinated action. The foundation of the entire administrative structure lies in constitutional principles. The Italian constitution outlines the values and rules that must guide the actions of the public administration. These principles ensure transparency, efficiency, and impartiality. The Italian administrative organization is divided into central, peripheral, and local authorities. This division ensures effective management of responsibilities. Each level has a specific and complementary role. Central bodies are the apex of state administration. Typical examples are ministries, each with its own area of responsibility. They define national policies and directives. Their role is crucial to the country's political and administrative direction. Decisions made at the central level influence the entire nation. They are responsible for strategic planning. Peripheral bodies, on the other hand, operate at the local level. Examples include prefectures and police headquarters. Their role is to implement national directives at the local level. They represent the operational arm of the state in the various provinces. They ensure the presence and effectiveness of administrative action. Their proximity to citizens facilitates the provision of services. Local authorities play a fundamental role in the administrative architecture. They enjoy autonomy and are more responsive to citizens' needs. They include municipalities, provinces, and regions. Municipalities are the local authorities closest to their citizens. Their responsibilities cover essential daily services. They manage the registry office, social services, and urban planning. The provinces are responsible for coordinating and managing infrastructure. They are responsible for roads, school buildings, and land use planning. Their role is to act as a liaison between municipalities and regions. Regions have broader and more diverse powers. They have legislative power in certain areas. Examples include healthcare, education, and economic development. Their autonomy allows them to adapt national policies to local circumstances. Regions are key players in territorial governance. They contribute significantly to citizens' quality of life. The activity of the public administration is governed by fundamental principles. These principles are enshrined in Article 97 of the Italian Constitution. They guarantee the legitimacy and effectiveness of administrative action. The principle of legality requires that public administration actions comply with the law. Every administrative act must be based on a legal provision. Public administrations cannot operate outside the regulatory framework. This principle guarantees citizens against the arbitrary actions of public authorities. It ensures that the administration operates according to predefined rules. Legality is the foundation of the rule of law. The principle of good governance characterizes administrative action. It translates into efficiency and effectiveness. The goal is to achieve the best results with the least expenditure of resources. Efficiency concerns the optimization of resources and procedures. Effectiveness refers to the achievement of established objectives. Good performance promotes prudent and productive management. The principle of impartiality requires that the public administration act fairly. It must ensure equal treatment for all citizens. Favoritism or discrimination is not permitted. This principle protects equal access to services and opportunities. It ensures that decisions are made without bias. Impartiality is essential for citizens' trust in institutions. The public administration expresses itself and operates through administrative acts. These acts are expressions of will or knowledge. They produce legal effects or contribute to the decision making process. There are different types of administrative acts. The main distinction is between provisions and other acts. This classification is essential to understanding their legal scope. Provisions are acts that produce direct legal effects. They modify, establish, or extinguish legal situations. A typical example is a building permit. These documents are an expression of the PA's authoritative power. They are binding on their recipients. Their validity is subject to specific formal and substantive requirements. Other acts, however, do not have direct legal effects. They are instrumental to the decision making process. Examples include opinions, proposals, and preparatory acts. Their function is to contribute to the formation of administrative will. They support the public administration in making the final decision. While not directly binding, they are often necessary. Administrative acts are invalid when they contain defects. These defects can compromise the legitimacy of the act. Invalidity can be of two types: nullity or voidability. Nullity renders the document ineffective from the very beginning. It's as if the document never existed. This is caused by serious defects, such as the lack of an essential element or the violation of mandatory rules. Voidability, on the other hand, makes the act contestable. The act is effective until it is annulled. It can be annulled by the administrative judge upon appeal. The causes of voidability are less serious defects. This category includes incompetence, violation of law, and abuse of power. Voidability is the most common form of invalidity. Administrative justice aims to protect citizens. It intervenes when legitimate rights or interests are violated by public administration actions. It is a cornerstone of the rule of law. There are two main types of appeals for administrative protection. They are divided into administrative appeals and judicial appeals. Both offer citizens defense tools. These administrative appeals are filed directly with the public administration that issued the decision. They seek a review of the decision. They can be hierarchical or oppositional. These appeals are a first level of protection, often quicker and more cost effective. They allow the administration to correct its mistakes. The final decision rests with the administrative body. Judicial appeals are filed before a judge. The first instance is the Regional Administrative Court, TAR. The TAR decides on the legitimacy of administrative acts. It is possible to appeal against TAR rulings. The competent body for appeals is the Council of State. The Council of State is the court of last resort in administrative matters. The jurisdictional bodies are the Regional Administrative Court, TR, and the Council of State. They are independent of the public administration and guarantee impartial judgment. Their function is twofold and fundamental. The first function is to monitor the legitimacy of public administration actions. They verify that the administration has acted in compliance with the law. This monitoring is essential for legality. The second function is to protect the rights and legitimate interests of citizens. They ensure that private individuals do not suffer unlawful prejudice. Administrative justice is a guarantee of fairness. In short, the public administration is a complex and dynamic system. Its organization, guiding principles, and protection tools are essential. Understanding these aspects is crucial for every citizen and professional.